let's have a look at how we can track and budget time on a job based on employee types. So first of all, what we'll do is we'll go into Setup and into List of Menus, and we'll set up our employee types in here. Because for each employee you'll need to assign an employee type to their record. So we click on employee type. Here we go. Now on this side we can add in or amend any of these options in here. We can also put in a default rate per hour for those types. Okay, so let's go return. And another option in Setup actually, under the Time Log tab, is where we can specify to check that a user is assigned to an employee type. Now let's turn that on. What that means is that if a user tries to log time relating to a job or a task, for example, if their employee record isn't already assigned to an employee type, well then it won't allow them and it'll give them a warning message. So this just means that if you use jobs and you enter in budgeted time based on employee types, you can be sure then that all employees are logging time, and those time logs will be linked to their relevant employee type as well. So now if we go return back, and the next area we'll look at is assigning an employee type to an employee. So we click on Contacts for the quick view, select Employees, and it's just a quicker way to go into a specific employee. So then let's click on the Rates and Wages tab. So in here we can specify the employee type linked to this employee. So we'll use production for this example. Now if we go in and create a new job, assign it to a customer, and we're already on the Time Log tab in here. So what we can do down the bottom left is specify the budget employee type time for this job. So we create a new line, we click into employee type, and we'll say production, we'll budget for 10 hours, and that's the default rate per hour. So you can override that at the job level, but you can also specify under access privileges if a user or group of users are allowed edit this rate as well at this level. So we can add another line in and we'll say designer. Now if we go back and enter in some time linked to that job, so the quickest way to do that is on the quick view screen, click on the arrow to show the quick view time log section here, and I'll create a new time log and we'll link it to that job. And we'll set the start time to be 17 to 1800 hours. And if we go and view that job, which we can do by clicking on the link for the job number, we can see then down the bottom left, production is 10 hours, actual hours so far is 1, and there's a variance of 9. And we can also get a warning then if we go over on time here. There's also the ability then to print off a report based on this job as well. So there's the sample report. So that covers tracking time on a job based on employee types.